Well, it looks like it's snowing here at Wonderworks in July. Emma's going to tell us what he's been doing to make all this snow.
Hey there. So we have the initial rough out of the dash. This is expanded polystyrene. That's their styrofoam, but a much higher density. We have the initial profile, of course, along the top side here, and it's mostly smoothed down. There's still a little bit of refinement. We have this is the drawing of the relief for the top side, and that'll be essentially as if it's cut right off. The underside has already been hot wired out, and just the initial rough in, and it is supported, it's not mounted. Yeah, I have some safety guards to make sure I don't scratch up the aluminum, and be heading on to the final. Yes.
What's this line here?
This would be this is the approximate area of the final relief, as if it's cut straight back.
Once it's carved down to that.
Yes, yeah, I'll be, just carving it and scraping it all the way down to that point until it's refined.
Excellent.
Right.